It's Sunday. We're going to the gym. And then I'm just gonna be chilling for the day. I think I'm gonna edit a little bit. Eat, of course. This is just gonna be a regular vlog. Today, gym, chill out, work a little bit for a while. Obviously eat, nourish my body. Anyways, that's what we're doing. Goodbye. Just take those clothes off.
This?
After you take your nap, then you can take a shower and then you can put different clothes on. I'm tired. I shouldn't be sitting on my bed because I'm dirty, but I am. Anyways, we made it home. I'm tired. So now we're eating watermelon, sandía. Comiendo.
That's how you say
Sandía.
it, comiendo.
Okay.
Because you know I like those. You don't like those parts.
So we are on our way to Parque del Rio because we're having a picnic.
Yeah, for the picnic, we're gonna. Mom, what? Mom, did you bring the other food?
I did. If you are ever in Colombia for a long period of time or even a short period, check the WhatsApp groups. There's a cool panda lady named Elkie, and she's always doing events, putting events together for the community. So today is a picnic day and we wanted to join. I haven't had this in so long. This is the sound of greatness. It's currently 11:21 p.m. and I decided that I was gonna order. I'm like over here talking to this thing like a freaking parrot. I'm just gonna take this off the table. I'm crazy because it's almost midnight. I thought, let me record a video. But it's December 30th and we are, at the end of the year, or so-called year. The beginning of the year doesn't start in the dead of winter. Sorry, if that's what you thought. Yeah, it's the end of the year, and I did my end of the year recap. So, obviously, I'm going to do my 2025 visions in my handy-dandy travel notebook. Notebook. I am going to, I just did my nails and this hand looks like rubbish. Looks like absolute rubbish. You're probably going to see it as I'm writing and filming my cinematic shots. So, you know, if you notice anything, you didn't, okay?
If you do one favor, just stay with me. I don't usually need nobody, but lately I've been on my own too long and deep, baby. Deep inside, I need your company. I need your energy, please. I can't hide it in first class. See, a fly private, the last time I let you go and I regret it, baby. So drop your pin and I'm headed the way you're headed. I need you, same way your body need a heartbeat, you. Same way you gotta sneak to Arby's. Honestly, if I be honest, I want you. If you do one favor, just stay with me. I don't usually need nobody, but lately I've been.
We are gathered here today in Parque El Salado. We came here because we're gonna have Wildy's birthday party here. We just came to get a reservation. They have like coverings, so I thought it would be nice to just get out of the city and have her birthday party here. Hola. You can, what am I trying to say? I'm getting distracted. They have like firewood and you can do a bonfire, you can cook. So yeah, we're just gonna come up here on Sunday for the day. We have a couple friends that are coming too, and we're gonna celebrate her birthday. Let me see your birthday hat. Let me see. Let me see it on you this way. I did a thing. I'm not exactly sure how it's gonna turn out yet, but it's January and already this year is proving to be different than what I expected. Silver is coming and I have a retreat this month and I can't even say it, oh my god. So Silver is coming, I have a retreat. Silver's leaving after the week after the retreat and she's taking Wilder with her. Don't freak out, don't freak out, don't freak out, don't freak out. She's taking Wilder with her to California where my mom will pick her up. So part of me is just like, are you batshit crazy? We'll see how we both feel. We're just gonna take it month by month. And if I don't like it, then I'm just gonna go back to California, which I really don't want to do, but that's the only way that it would make sense. Like, I think she'll probably be fine for like a month. I don't know about after that. She really misses her family, her cousins, her aunties. I miss them too, but you know, I could do without them. But we also haven't seen them in a year, and she's been like begging me to go and stay in Gigi's country with Gigi. The opportunity presented itself, and you know, I can use at least a month to myself. One half of me is just nervous, and the other half is like, it's a blessing, because it is, to be able to trust my family enough to have Wilder for that long and know that she's gonna get the love, the attention, and everything that she needs to not just survive but to thrive. I'll also be able to really focus on things I need to do and use that time to propel myself forward. It also is like, this is why I'm over here on this side of the world and not on the eastern side of the world. Just closer to home in more ways than one. Nervous, but excited because, I don't know, I just really love being able to like fully hone in and focus and just develop and do all of that. And that's hard with a kid, it's hard to chase your passions when you have a child, especially when you're a single parent. It's not easy. It takes a lot of energy. It takes a lot of energy to just keep yourself going as a human being. So having to mainly keep someone else going, I cannot think about myself because it's just like, oh, I'm an adult. Like, I can handle going 24 hours without eating. I try not to do that. But there are times where things like that happen. So being able to just focus and take care of myself and know that my child is safe and sound by trusted individuals who will treat her exactly like I treat her. So yeah, that's it for now.
Inside.
Are you excited? What do you think it is?
A unicorn.
A unicorn?
A unicorn toy because I lost my other unicorn.
Hi! I'm glad it's you! I'm into it. Watch Lennox. Nice, Lennox. Wait, why did they give you a new one? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Wilder. Happy birthday to you.
I have to go. Bye bye.
Blow. Oh shit. Oh shit, it's one of those.
We're gonna
Oh no.
We didn't know it was one of
Yeah,
those.
oh no, it's still filming. That is hilarious. Look, she
I'm out here in Guatape. It's a little lake about 2 hours outside of Medellin. And we're doing a leadership retreat of these group of women, amazing women with different healing medicine that they offer. Anything from breath work to salsa dancing to human design, health, business, cacao. Yeah, we're just running through the flow of a retreat. I'm doing the visuals for it, and we actually got here yesterday, but everything was just tired. I was tired yesterday. So yeah, I'm recording today. Really nice and peaceful this morning. Kind of like nestled into the mountain on one side of the lake. So I don't really know too much more about Guatape because it's a little secluded, but it's nice. It's really nice.
Something. Yeah, because he grew up in England, so he's very cold. And most people don't give him the space to show that. And I was like, how cool is it to have friends that
that just what that person is. But he's a Leo, so he's very bubbly and warm and loud.
yeah. No, my husband's a triple Scorpio. Sun, moon, and rising Scorpio. So mysterious. So
I can definitely see why people get
it's like the layer. To your point,
too.
it's that's what I'm saying. Everything that you can make.
Whose phone is it? It's mine. We can see them.
They want to do waterfalls today. Almost everybody. I think so.
Stinker.
That's the day after I got back from the retreat. Back with my stink and her princess dress. I did not record any type of vlogging content for the retreat. So here's a little recap. We have a week of fun things because Silver is here, so we're gonna go just do some things that we haven't done yet. What are we gonna do today?
Go to the castle.
Is that why you're wearing your princess dress?
Yes. You go to princess just stinky.
I definitely need to decompress. We got home yesterday. We went to eat, and then I
throw up.
went to sleep. Willie woke up and she threw up twice. We don't know exactly why, but she's fine today, so the show must go on. So we're headed to a cafe. The cafe that we always go to because it's right next to the house.
Hello.
And then we're gonna go to the castle. The castle
Does that look good? Wait, I'm making a happy face. What is it?
Smells good. Her first time trying. Oh, what my hand?
You wanna know what? There's a lime in there. It tastes like limeade.
Like some light tea. We couldn't take any pictures in the castle, so I didn't get to get any footage. But how was it? Was it cool? What was your favorite part?
Getting this.
Where's TT Silver?
Wow.
Now we're racing because they're gonna go to a new spot to eat. Look at these flowers. They are humongous. Like, this is a regular size leaf, and look how humongous it is.
Rude.
It's probably a bird. Or a praying mantis.
Mantis? Way bigger.
Should like them.
Yeah. One of our friends who are trying to hit him.
That's not nice.
I wouldn't do that. I didn't do that.
Because you're gentle and nice to nature.
Yeah. And there's a friend there.
Mm-hmm.
Her name is Sophia. She's a grown-up too.
Baby, tell me to go.
buenas a las tantas. Hermosa energía que jamás falta. Y siempre en la memoria la carta más alta. Brindamos por el rebelde con J mayúscula. Nos mandan desde arriba sus señales acústicas. Todo radio dice que siga la fiesta. Y pongo un poco toca de la fiesta. Ponga más Frank on me. Quiero bailar y pasarlo guay. Todo el mundo quiere verme.
If you do one favor, just stay with me. I don't usually need nobody, but lately I've been on my own too long and deep, baby. Deep inside, I need your company. I need your energy, please. I can't hide it. A first class seat, a fly private. The last time I let you go and I regret it, baby. So drop your pen and I'm headed the way you're headed. I need you, same way your body need a heartbeat.
We are on our way to Chorro Las Campanas for a hike in the early morning.
If you do one favor, just stay with me. I don't usually need nobody, but lately I've been on my own too long and deep, baby. Deep inside, I need your company. So many things that you do right, you like walking on the beach in the moonlight, flying in the sky but you're too high. Icarus, I really want you close but you were too hot, damn. Something's up, too much a good thing, need more for us. Don't care what they say, know you're the one. So baby, do me one favor. If you do one favor, just stay with me. I don't usually need nobody, but lately I've been on my own too long and deep, baby. Deep inside, I need your company. One favor, 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 one favor. I need you.
There it goes.
A few moments later.
Without it, she told me don't be in love. I don't feel my face when I'm with you, but I love it. But I love it. I can feel my face when I'm with you, but I love it. But I love it.